Every time you squeeze the handle at a gas station, you're doing more than buying fuel. You're touching the result of a journey that began hundreds of millions of years ago. A story written by time, pressure, heat, and human ingenuity. The roads we drive on, the factories that power our economies, and the vehicles that connect the world all depend on a remarkable source of energy hidden beneath our feet. Behind every drop of gasoline lies an industrial process that stretches from the floor of an ancient ocean to some of the most advanced refineries on Earth. Today, we're following that journey. From microscopic life forms that lived in prehistoric seas to the fuel powering modern civilization. Our story begins roughly 200 million years ago. At that time, vast oceans covered much of the planet. Beneath the surface lived countless microscopic organisms drifting through sunlit waters. These tiny life forms absorbed energy from the sun and stored it within their bodies. Day after day, year after year, life flourished, multiplied, and eventually came to an end. When these organisms died, they slowly sank to the ocean floor. Layer after layer of organic material began accumulating across ancient seabeds. Over time, sand, mud, and sediment buried these remains deeper and deeper underground. Pressure increased, temperatures rose. For millions of years, nature worked silently beneath the surface. The organic material gradually transformed into a waxy substance known as corrosion. This was one of the key stages in the creation of petroleum. As heat and pressure continued to build, the corrosion slowly broke down into crude oil. An ancient source of stored solar energy became trapped deep within layers of rock, waiting in darkness for hundreds of millions of years. To find this hidden resource, humans must venture into some of the harshest environments on Earth. Far offshore, massive drilling platforms rise above the ocean. Engineers and workers spend weeks at a time surrounded by waves, wind, and extreme conditions. But before any drilling can begin, geologists must first locate the oil buried far below the surface. To do that, they rely on seismic technology. Powerful waves are sent deep into the earth and reflected back to the surface. The returning signals reveal the structures hidden beneath layers of rock. Using this information, engineers create detailed underground maps and identify potential reservoirs. Once a target is confirmed, drilling operations begin. Industrial drill bits grind through layers of rock that have remained untouched for millions of years. The well continues deeper and deeper into the Earth's crust. Every step must be carefully controlled. A single mistake can cost millions of dollars and threaten the safety of an entire operation.
Watch the alignment on that pipe, it's shifting. Got it, bringing it down slow.
After months of planning, drilling, and testing, the moment finally arrives. Crude oil begins its journey to the surface. It's a milestone that represents years of engineering, investment, and effort. But extraction is only the beginning. Crude oil cannot power a car or airplane in its raw form. Before it becomes useful fuel, it must travel to a refinery. To move this valuable resource across the globe, humanity has built one of the largest transportation networks ever created. Pipelines stretch across deserts, mountains, forests, and frozen landscapes. Around the clock, millions of barrels of oil move through these vast systems. At sea, giant oil tankers transport energy between continents. These vessels are among the largest machines ever built by human hands. A single tanker can carry enough oil to supply entire cities for weeks. When the ships reach port, the crude oil is transferred into enormous storage facilities. From there, it heads to the most important stage of its transformation, the refinery. From a distance, an oil refinery looks like a city made of steel. Towers, pipes, tanks, and processing units fill the horizon. This is where crude oil is transformed into the products that power the modern world. The process begins by heating crude oil to extremely high temperatures. As the temperature rises, the oil starts to vaporize. Different hydrocarbons boil at different temperatures. That allows them to be separated inside a massive distillation tower. Lighter molecules rise toward the top. Heavier components remain lower in the column. What began as a complex mixture is gradually divided into usable products. But producing gasoline requires additional processing. Inside specialized cracking units, large hydrocarbon molecules are broken into smaller ones. Advanced catalysts accelerate the reaction and improve efficiency. At the same time, sulfur and other impurities are removed. Every stage is monitored continuously by sophisticated control systems. Temperature, pressure, flow rate. Every parameter must remain within strict limits. Even small deviations can affect product quality. Thousands of sensors work together to ensure the process runs safely and efficiently. After multiple stages of refining and treatment, the final product emerges: gasoline. A clear liquid that may appear ordinary, but contains an extraordinary amount of energy. The refinery operates 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Millions of gallons of fuel leave the facility every year to meet global demand. Once refined, gasoline is stored in large industrial tanks. From there, tanker trucks distribute it to gas stations across cities, towns, and highways. The journey that began hundreds of millions of years ago is finally approaching its destination. At the gas station, the final transfer takes place. Ancient energy is handed over to modern machines. When gasoline enters an engine, it is sprayed into an extremely fine mist. Air is mixed with the fuel in precise proportions. Pistons move, valves open and close. Every component operates with remarkable precision. Then comes the spark. In a fraction of a second, energy that has been stored for millions of years is suddenly released. A controlled combustion event generates intense pressure. That pressure pushes the piston downward. Chemical energy is transformed into mechanical motion. The result is the force that moves a vehicle forward. The same principle powers trains crossing continents, ships navigating oceans, aircraft flying across the sky, industrial machinery operating inside factories, and countless transportation systems around the world. From a microscopic organism drifting through an ancient sea to the fuel driving modern civilization, the journey is almost impossible to imagine. It is a story shaped by geology, chemistry, engineering, and time. The next time you fill your tank, take a moment to think about what you're holding. Inside that stream of fuel lies hundreds of millions of years of Earth's history, a powerful reminder of nature's ability to store energy and humanity's ability to unlock it. That is the story of a single drop of gasoline, a small liquid with an extraordinary past, a witness to the evolution of life, the passage of time, and the progress of human civilization. If you enjoy exploring the incredible industrial processes and technologies that keep our world moving, be sure to like the video, subscribe to Future Flow Factory, and join us for more fascinating journeys into the machines, factories, and engineering systems that shape our modern world.